Hi, how are you? Today we will learn how to create a Facebook business account. For this, you will log in any of the Facebook account. Once you open it, go to the left side of your panel and here you will see a button of See More. Just click on it. After that, go below and here you will see a button of Pages. Just click on it. After that, again go to the left panel and here you will see a button of Create Page. It means now you are creating a Facebook business account. So click on it. Now you have two options. The first one, you want to create any public page, or you can also convert your own account into a professional. If we click on public page, we will still have a personal account and also a business account linked with this. Okay, we will go with the public page and click on next. After that, just click on get started. And now here, first of all, we add the name of the page. Zaina Clothes. And also I will choose the category of clothing. You can choose any of them according to your niche. After that, we will add the bio here. You can click on create page at the below. After that, there's a new page. Now here, first they're asking for the website. You can skip this one if you don't have any, or just add some of the details here.
Then click on next. After that, here we will add the profile picture. First, we will add the profile picture and also the cover photo. Once you upload all the things here, go below and here you will see a button of next. Just click on it. Now here Facebook is asking for the WhatsApp number. Do you have any? You can link your WhatsApp. Otherwise, you can skip that one. So just click on skip. After that, Facebook is inviting you to invite your friends to follow your page. If you want to, you can go with invite friends. Otherwise, you can click on next. And again, we will click on done. Now you can see your Facebook business page is done. Thank you so much for watching this video.